Welcome back. Well, there's a cool new way to fight the battle of the bulge without going under the knife. From love handles to muffin tops, a new FDA-cleared fat freezing procedure, Zeltiq is now available in the Lowcountry only at Germain Dermatology in Mount Pleasant. And with the details, welcome Dr. Marguerite Germain of Germain Dermatology. How are you?
Hi, Laura. Thanks. I'm great.
Good. This sounds like a miracle cure. Tell me what Zeltiq really is.
Well, Zeltiq is like a miracle. As you said, it's the newest and coolest way to reduce fat without damaging other tissue. It's a way that fat bulges, those stubborn fat bulges, can be permanently reduced. So love handles, back fat, abdominal fat can be reduced without surgery. So there's no pain, there's no anesthesia, there's no recovery time. It's great.
Well, is everyone a good candidate for this? I mean, it seems like it's something that just really, I don't know, it sounds like it's going to kind of phase out liposuction almost.
Well, you know, liposuction has its place, but people who are near their ideal weight, who eat well, who have a good lifestyle, who just have those stubborn bulges that just won't go away, it's great for them.
Okay, well, let's talk about some before and afters. I think that's the video that we're looking at right now. So this is before Zeltiq and this is after now. About how long would it take to have, because that's an amazing result.
Right, so this is a patient who came to us and she had Zeltiq done, and this is 3 months after her treatment.
Okay.
So she doesn't have a lot of fat, but she has certainly a reduction in her fat, about a 25% reduction in that abdominal bulge, and she's very happy.
So about how long does this procedure take?
It can take several hours in the office, but people are very comfortable, and nobody has it's very comfortable, and people don't complain about being in the office for a long period of time because it works.
Right. Well, your office is having an event where people can actually go and see this procedure take place, correct?
Yes. So on October 14th, we're having a Zeltiq night from 5 to 7:30, and people can come. There's going to be a live demo. They can get all their questions answered. It'll be a lot of fun.
I would imagine that some people would have questions about maybe the downtime. After they get this procedure done, do I have to take some time off of work? What do I need to do?
No, you don't have to take any time off from work. You can go to the gym right after the procedure.
Wow.
There's absolutely no downtime. It's amazing.
Wow. Well, tell me, so the people that have had this done or people that are thinking about having it done, you were just saying that it's now FDA approved. So what does that mean compared to maybe last time that we spoke? Now that it's FDA approved,
right.
What does that mean?
Well, there's certainly more media coverage and much more popularity, but the patients that we have treated have been extremely happy, all of the patients. And you can't really say that about a lot or all of cosmetic procedures, but this one, everybody's happy.
Well, Dr. Germain, I have a quick question. I'm just trying to figure out what happens to the fat cells if are you burning them away, or what happens to them?
So what happens to them is very slowly over about a 2 to 4 month period. You can see in the animation, you can see that the cold is very carefully and precisely delivered to the fat layer. These are the fat cells. And then during the procedure, some of the fat cells are crystallized. And then over the next 2 to 4 months, these fat cells are very gently removed by the body by the body's own metabolic processes. And there's no stress on the body. The fat cells rearrange and the fat layer condenses, and then over a 3 month period you see that fat layer is reduced by about 25%.
So I guess just watching that animation that we were just watching there, it seems to me that when you first get the procedure done, can you tell that anything's different, or does it take a little bit of time?
Nothing is different, so it takes about 3 months. And this is a patient who we're treating. She's very fit, but she has a little abdominal bulge. This is the Zeltiq machine. This is the applicator, which has the cold panels that I'm applying now to her abdomen.
And she's not even flinching, not moving or anything.
She's not, because it doesn't hurt at all. Look at how comfortable we're making her. Again, she will be in the office for up to several hours, but she's very comfortable. Most patients nap, or here she's reading a magazine. A lot of people do work on their computer, or they watch a movie.
Wow. Well, thank you so much for giving us all this information. And once again, please tell us where this the event is going to be in October, so that people...
Yes, so it's October the 14th, and it's at my office, Germain Dermatology in Mount Pleasant. People need to call to reserve a spot. Actually, tomorrow we're having an I Love Me party.
Wow.
If people would like to come to that, it's from 5:30 to 7:30. They just need to call to reserve a spot, and we'll be talking about all the newest and greatest cosmetic procedures.
And GermainDermatology.com is the website that people can visit in the event that they want to get in on all of these things.
Yes, they can get on all of the things, and you should come too.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate you being here today.
Well, thank you. Thanks very much.